Hello students, welcome to the SRBPS online classes. This is Monica Chiller, your business studies educator. Today in this video we will be discussing with chapter 6, that is staffing. Staffing mainly includes recruitment, selection and training. So these are the subtopics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. Now let's start with it. Today's topic for the discussion is internal sources of recruitment, right? We will discuss this topic in the form of merits and demerits. Merits means what are the advantages of hiring the candidates in the organization from within the organization. What can be the plus points of this method? So under merits, the first one is increase in motivation. Increase in motivation, we can say that motivation increases among the employees with the help of promotion, and promotion is a type under internal source of recruitment. So when employees are promoted from operational to middle level and from middle to top level, that it increases their motivation level or increases their morale, boost up their morale, right? So it will increase the efficiency among the employees. Now the second merit which can be derived from internal source of recruitment is economical. It is economical by nature, means it is less expensive. Company need not to give any kind of advertisement when company uses internal source of recruitment. So we can say yes, it is economical by nature. Next point is industrial peace. Peace here means the healthy atmosphere in an organization. When employees are promoted, then they will be happy, they will be satisfied by working in that organization. So healthy atmosphere or good working conditions can be established or can be provided to the employees. In short, we can say industrial peace can be maintained. Next merit is easy selection. There are less choices with the management under internal source of recruitment, right? From within the organization only, it will be determined that who will be promoted or who will be transferred. So it is easy to find out or to choose the candidates for the promotion or for the transfer, right? So process is simplified here. Easy process it is to fill the vacant jobs. Next merit is no need of induction. Induction means orientation, to familiarize the new employees with the system or with the existing staff members. But here no fresh employee is hired, right? All the employees for which you can say or with the help of whom the vacancies are filled are the part of organization only. They are already working in the organization. They are the part of the organization. So there would be no need of any kind of induction or orientation program for those employees, right? Now have a look on the another side of the table, that is all about drawbacks or demerits of internal source of recruitment. Like first one is lack of fresh talent. Fresh talent, we can say that from outside no recruitment would be done, right? You are using the talent which is already available with the organization. No fresh talent will be hired. So it becomes a drawback. Next to this, employees become lethargic. Lethargic means lazy. Employees become lazy when they are aware about this fact that yes, they only will be promoted. From outside no recruitment will take place. So their efficiency will decrease by their intention that they only will be promoted or opportunities will be given to them only. It will decrease the output of the organization. Next is not suitable for new organization. Yes, of course, this method is not suitable for new organization. If any company is newly established, then for the first time they will recruit the staff or they will appoint the staff members. So this method is not suitable for the newly established organizations. Now the last point under demerit, lack of competition. somehow this method decreases the competitive spirit among the employees because they became lethargic, right? They are not using their 100% efficiency in the welfare of the organization, so there would be lack of competition. But for the advantage point, there should be healthy competition among the employees, right? So this is all about internal sources of recruitment. Although demerits are there, but this method is suitable when less number of vacancies are there in the organization, because it is less expensive and it motivates the employees also, right? I hope the topic is clear to everybody. The next topic means about external environment we will discuss in next video. Thank you.